Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mix spot right here, and basically what this is a SwitchBot indoor cam. So it's basically like a camera you can use indoor. If you guys want to keep an eye on your pet or your babies or whatever, you can definitely get one of these, which is pretty awesome. And for this product, if you guys want to use it for like Google Assistant or like Alexa or some smart home device, you definitely want to get one of these right here with the SwitchBot Hub Mini. So that way you actually connect it onto your smart home devices and voice assistant. So I'll actually open this up first to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. Alright, so here's a box with accessories inside, and then right here we have the actual camera, and it has a little mounting right here. Alright, so when you open up, that is what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. Alright, so they provide you guys a user guide to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. They provide you guys a high quality cable right here, which is USB to micro USB. They provide you guys wall adapters and plug in the cable to. They provide you guys wall adapters and actually plug it in to recharge the product. And then right here they provide you guys some mounting accessories. So right here is a sticker, and then right here is a wall mount. And that is everything that's included in the box right here. Now let's take a look at this part right here. So right here is the base of the product. So you just want to stick it onto the back right here, which I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. Here is the bottom part. So they do have the non-slip material in the bottom to prevent it from moving around. And they have these two holes so that way it's actually mounted on the wall if you guys want to. I believe in the back of this part right here, it does have little magnets. So if you guys want to stick it on somewhere, you definitely can, which we'll test out in a second as well. But now let's take a look at the last part right here, which is the actual product. So this is basically what the packaging looks like right here, if you can see. Let's open it up. Alright, so when we open up, this is basically what the product looks like. So here is the lens, and top part here, they do have the logo. If we turn in the back right here, this is what it looks like on this side. So this is where to plug in the cable to activate it. And right here is a speaker that also has a mic built in as well. I believe this is a reset button. And right here is one of the options where you actually plug in the mount, which is this one right here in the back. And the very bottom right here, they do have another part where you actually mount the base right here as well. So you can definitely mount it on here or in the back right here. And on the side right here, you can plug in your TF card or micro SD card right here. So definitely use that option to store all the recordings if you guys want to, or you can also use the cloud storage as well. If you guys want to use the SD card option, you definitely need to get your own SD card because it's not included. So they mentioned that on the product it has a 24/7 monitoring system. So that way the camera is always on if you guys want to keep it on. If you guys don't want to keep it on, you can always unplug it or actually turn it off. The product also has a playback option and also a privacy option as well. And like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to connect it onto your smart home devices like Alexa or something else, you would definitely need to get one of these right here, which is the Hub Mini. And for this product, it definitely has like the notification or the alert functionality on here. So once the product detects motion, it actually sends an alert onto your device or your phone. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that it does have a night vision built onto the product, so you can definitely see stuff at night. And in terms of the video quality on this product, it can record up to 1080p. It definitely has a huge coverage because it has a wide angle lens. And for this product, it has like the motion detection and the human detection as well. And also for this product, it has a two-way audio. So that way you guys can actually communicate with the other person and they can communicate with you as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go plug this in and test it out to see how well it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product all plugged in and ready to use. So what I want to do first is to press the back button right here. And basically what that does is actually let you guys start pairing the device. If you guys can see the flashing light right here, that's how you guys know you guys can start pairing the device. So basically what you want to do now is to go on the SwitchBot app to actually connect it. It'll ask you guys for the Wi-Fi, and once you guys fill the Wi-Fi, it'll give you guys a QR code. So you basically want to scan the QR code from 10 to 20 centimeters away. Alright, so once you guys scan the QR code, then actually we'll go to this page right here. So basically it's connecting onto the camera now. Alright, so I got the camera all set up. Alright, so we can start using it. Alright, so we have the device all set right here. And we can see this is basically what the app looks like. We can see how it tells you guys the date and time on here. And we have all these other options right here as well, we can see. So we click on this button right here. It changes to this right here. If you want to go back, you guys want to press here. You guys can take a photo if you guys want to. Just like that. If you guys want to talk to the other person, you guys want to press this button right here. But I don't want to do that right now because there's really strong feedback from my microphone here and the camera. You press right here. Now it's basically recording everything that is being seen right here on the camera, so including what I'm being recorded right here. If you guys want to stop, press stop, and now it's all saved in your gallery or album. If you press this button right here, it gives you guys all these other options right here. So there's night mode, there's private mode, there's motion detection, gallery, and playback. So you can definitely do all that on here. And you guys have a message option right here, and you guys also have a cloud option here as well. So you basically want to press it one time if you guys want to change the different settings on here. So you guys can keep the night mode automatic, off or on, and in motion detection you can turn it off or on by pressing one time. And if you guys press on this button right here, You can change all these different settings on here. So if you guys connect this onto the Hub Mini, you guys can actually connect it onto your smart home devices or the voice assistant like Alexa or whatever. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually bring my phone over somewhere else a little bit further away. So let me walk over and we'll test out the audio on here to see what it actually sounds like.
Loud and very clear. Even in this room, I can hear myself from the speaker from that device. And the person on the other side can actually talk to me if they want to as well.
And basically when I'm talking, you guys can hear me on this side right here as well. I don't want to turn too loud because the feedback is pretty loud. But you can definitely hear the audio is really clear when you guys use it on here and also on the camera as well. Now let me test out the night vision to see how that works. Alright, so I have the device all set right here. Let me show you guys what it actually looks like. So let's test out the night vision and see how it works. So first thing I want to do is turn off the light. Alright. So you can see it activate the night vision on here. And it's actually really clear. Alright, so if I turn back on the light, the night vision should turn off. Alright, so I turn off night vision automatically. If you can see, the quality of the image is actually pretty high quality and definitely has a wide angle lens. If you can see how much coverage is being shown on the video. Alright, so like I mentioned, for the bottom of the product, it is magnetic as well. So if I go like this, you can see that sticks on really easily. So you can basically put this anywhere you want to as long as it has a magnetic option. So if you don't want to use the option, you guys can definitely mount it onto the wall using the screw option if you guys want to. Or you can put this on the back as well. So right here, you definitely have the option to mount it on there as well instead of the bottom if you guys want to. So if you see the bottom right here, this is the mic. So that is how you guys communicate with the other person and how they actually communicate with you. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, you can definitely see that she does work and she works quite well. Super easy to set everything up if you guys follow the instructions. But if you can see from the actual test of the product, you can definitely see it actually works really well. So you can basically put this anywhere you want to, whether you guys want to put it in your bedroom, your living room, your bathroom. Even if you guys want to put it outdoor, like maybe right in front of your door. So that way you guys actually use like a security camera to see people going in and out. You can definitely do that as well. But I definitely love the option of how you guys can mount it in the front or in the bottom of the camera. And the fact that it has a magnetic option as well, so that way you can just stick on somewhere if you guys want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys want to add like an extra layer of security at your home or your office or somewhere else, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.